It's normal to shed between 10 and 15 hairs from your head each day, so seeing a few strands in your brush or comb should not concern you. However, if you are losing much more than this, you may wonder if you are doing something wrong. Could that glass of wine you enjoy in the evening be harming your hair? Today's video will discuss alcohol and hair loss, what you need to know. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. 1. Lost nutrient associated with drinking. Drinking too much alcohol can contribute to deficiencies or malabsorptions of key nutrients. In particular, there's evidence that not getting enough zinc, copper, or protein may lead to hair shedding. 2. Iron. Iron may have a role in your hair loss in certain people, but how it exactly affects hair remains unclear. Recommended daily intake of iron is between 11 and 18 milligrams for most non-pregnant adults. Iron deficiency is the most common nutritional deficiencies in the world. 3. Zinc and copper. Alcohol may affect zinc and copper absorption. According to the researchers, other investigators have concluded that low serum levels of copper may be a factor in hair loss. 2. Scientists are still looking to figure out exactly why this might be. The daily recommended amount of copper is 2 milligrams. 4. Protein. Drinking alcohol may also interfere with the absorption of protein or lead to lower protein consumption. 5. Thyroid problems associated with drinking. Drinking too much alcohol on a regular basis can affect your thyroid and overall hypothalamo-pituitary thyroid testosterone axis. It can also affect other hormone interactions responsible for regulating a wide variety of processes in the body, like hair growth and hair shedding. Once you address your drinking, do the following. Eat a balanced diet, focus on nutrients like iron, zinc, copper, and protein. Ask your doctor about supplementations to address any nutritional deficiencies. Drink plenty of water. On average, men should aim to drink about 15.5 cups of fluids each day. Women should aim for 11.5 cups. Stop smoking. Keep in mind that even temporary hair loss may not immediately respond to these measures. In general, it can take 6 to 9 months for normal hair growth to resume. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.